Want to play your Nintendo Switch on the big screen without the dock? It's possible using an HDMI adapter or capture card. These devices connect to your Switch's USB-C port and output video via HDMI to your TV. First, acquire a compatible HDMI capture card or USB-C to HDMI adapter. These devices allow pass-through of the video signal without the official dock. For the original Switch or OLED model, connect the Switch's USB-C port to the capture card, then plug the capture card's HDMI output into your TV. For the Switch Lite, use a dedicated USB-C to HDMI adapter. Power on your Nintendo Switch and select the appropriate HDMI input on your TV to display the signal. Ensure all devices are updated to their latest firmware for optimal compatibility. Remember, HDMI pass-through connections offer better performance than wireless screen mirroring, which can introduce latency. Also, avoid unofficial modifications, as they may void your warranty or result in a console ban.